everyone. Welcome to another episode of It Is Mearly Business, a video series that gives you some insight into our family-owned and operated business. My name is Julian Mear, and I'm the CEO of our company, Automated Marketing, or AMI. And AMI's mission is to deliver the right product and the right solution through authentic consultancy and relationships. For those of you who don't know, we've been in business since 1903, starting out with rubber stamps and metal wheel numbering machines and seals. And over the time, the company has moved through generations in both people and products, and we experienced some incredible growth when we became the exclusive distributor of the Reiner line of handheld inkjet printers. And we became the exclusive distributor in North America about 41 years ago. And we still proudly offer these products today. Over the last year and a half, we have been working on bringing more value to the market, and today I wanted to talk to you one way that we are doing that, which is through product expansion. I'm going to highlight a few new products that I am super excited about, but hang on until the end if you will, and we're just going to tell you a few things that are also coming soon. So first up is our product, The Cure. No, not the English rock band that was formed in 1978, but instead a UV curable piezo high resolution printer. We're super excited about this printer because of its value to the commercial print industry. It's made in the US and it offers huge savings and massive headache savings over BitJets and Versamarks and other things that you would expect in commercial print. Zero maintenance, tons of versatility, few applications including mailing, addressing, security bags, plastic cards, strapping, graphics, labels, and that's just scratching the surface really. So we also have a couple people on our team super special in this industry with decades of knowledge, Bill Allen and also Bill Post. They bring so much experience and knowledge to this technology and these applications, so you will be in very good hands with that one. So next up, super excited about this one as well, is our Cami Case Pro. This is an incredible product. There is so much value to the outer case coder. If you're not already using it, for instance, and you're hand applying labels or stamping, but if you're having problems with your existing case coder, all I can say is that the Cami Case Pro will take them away. It is stress-free, extremely high quality, mess-free operation, and super easy to control, very intuitive, phenomenal product, and also eliminates a lot of the leaking associated with many piezo case coating systems by using a non-wetting engine. All right, time to get a little zen. So we are proud now to be the exclusive North American distributor of the ZenJet thermal inkjet printers. I don't know about you, but when I buy something like my phone, I expect it to work and keep working. And these two printers, the Dynamic and the IP65 Ultra, are absolutely robust and reliable. Your production line is not going to be shutting down because of these printers, period. And the IP65 TIG, the Ultra, is an absolute beast. It is built like a tank, milled out of solid stainless steel, perfect for really harsh environments that are wet, dusty, dirty, you name it. The thing is going to keep running for decades to come, and we're so sure about that product has a lifetime warranty. These are just a few additions, so you can go to automatedmarking.com to check out the rest of our products. And lastly, I want to be the first to announce a couple of new things that are not already up on that. Drum roll, please. And so we're going to be introducing our CIJ. That's going to be called the Cami 10. It is compact and simple and powerful inkjet that eliminates a lot of the issues that you see with a lot of inkjet printers by eliminating a lot of the adjustment points that can be fiddled with by operators. And last for now, but absolutely not least, we're going to be bringing you a print and apply labeling solution that lets you print coding and traceability data on self-adhesive labels and then directly apply that to your product in one simple solution. So that was a lot, mouthful. If you made it through the 5 minutes, thank you so much for sticking around. We're going to be bringing you more episodes of It's Mearly Business, talking about the growth of our family company, the history, working with siblings, working with family, working with friends, how it all looks from behind the scenes. So thank you so much for tuning in, and thank you for joining another episode of It's Mearly Business, and we will see you again soon. Thanks.